Marcus here with Low Price Metal Buildings. For just a few minutes of your time, I want to run you through who we are and what we do. So we're based in the state of Colorado. For the last 2 years, we have helped nearly 800 customers each year find the correct building solution for their needs. So rather than just offering one type of building such as pole barns, we decided to diversify and offer tube steel, pole barns, cold formed, and red iron. So depending on what county you fall into, there's going to be a best building type based off of your snow and wind requirements and your width. That's where we start looking at what building type is best for you. So let's talk about current market pricing. So right now we have a 30 by 50 by 10 tube steel structure. Tube steel is a very popular structure available right now because it is your best price per square foot available in the market. You get material delivery and install all in one price. It is a semi-custom structure, so it's not without its limitations, but if you're okay with those limitations, it is hands down the best price structure available in the market. It can go directly to dirt. It can bolt to a monolithic slab. It comes with generic engineer plans, so tube steel is a great fit when it works for the correct snow and wind requirements or your county code requirements. Next, let's talk about pole barns. So we have a 36 by 48 by 12 pole barn advertised as a kit. The kit includes two 10 by 10 overhead doors, 2 windows, 1 man door. It's a 60-pound ground snow load, a 45-pound roof snow load, and 130 mile per hour wind rating. If you're in the state of Colorado or surrounding states, the additional charge to install that building is $18,000. It's a great overall fit. So there's no soffits on that, there's no gutters. It does include a cupola, but for pole barns, it's a great in-between size. Cold formed right now. So cold formed is a galvanized coated C-channel structure. We engineer those structures with us directly. We have a team of installers and concrete crews based in Colorado, and they will service surrounding states of Colorado for cold formed. Right now we have a 40 by 60 by 14 advertised for $27,995. So that is just for a kit delivered. It's not installed. Install averages about $7 to $8 a square foot. Concrete monolithic slabs average $10 to $12 per square foot. Overall, cold form's a great fit for heavier snow loads. So, or if you're looking for a steel structure delivered fast, it does deliver about 4 times faster than red iron. If you go onto the website, you'll see a 40 by 60 by 14 for $25,000 as a kit versus the ad price of $27,000. The only difference there is the snow load. One has a heavier snow load, one has a lighter, but we design each one of those buildings as site specific. Red iron. So if you go onto our website, you will see tons of red iron prices. Most commonly, there's a 60 by 100 by 14 red iron steel structure. That's $49,995. So it's advertised as a kit. So it's not an installed price. That's just to get you a pre-engineered metal building, red iron delivered to you. So we do have installers, again, state of Colorado, surrounding states, to get you installing concrete for that building. We can also send kits out across the country. Depending on how tariffs are impacting steel prices right now, we will try to get as close as we can to that price. Prices are continuing to go up on red iron. Right now, your current timeline's best case scenario about 12 weeks on average. So rather than just offering one type of building and one solution, we've decided to diversify into these different groups. We don't just have one manufacturer for each one. So depending on where you're at in the country or what your snow loads are, what size you're looking for, there's going to be a best manufacturer for that fit. So let's talk about what we don't do. So we're not general contractors. We don't pull permits. We just specifically deal in the structure. However, we do have installers for install and concrete of the structure to assist in getting that completed. So you can reach out. We'll get you connected on those. We can get you quotes on those as well. We don't do barn dominiums. We're not quoting any barn dominiums for 2025. So we service the state of Colorado and surrounding states. We do have a team based in Florida as well. So if you're in Florida and you're looking at covered arenas, we've got a great install and concrete team based down there. But think about Colorado and all the states that touch Colorado, maybe a little bit further, such as Montana, South Dakota, things like that. But that's our areas of service. So why should you choose us? So one, our market knowledge gets you there faster. So we quote hundreds of buildings a week. We have 15, 20, 30 manufacturers that we're talking with at a time. We have dealer direct pricing. So right away, we start out 10, 20% down. So if we run you at a low markup, we get you there faster on the price you're looking for. The next piece is transparent pricing. If you look at a lot of other companies in the state of Colorado, surrounding states, there's a lot of metal building manufacturers and dealers out there. We put all transparent pricing on our website. We would rather you see the price up front and try to understand if that's the right fit for you. The next piece of why you should choose us, and the third and final piece, is negotiable. So our overhead is extremely low. We don't necessarily need to make a ton of money off of selling you the building, which means we are always flexible. If there's a certain price that you need to be at, we would much rather do business with you and find the price that you need on that structure. We can negotiate with install crews, we can negotiate with concrete crews. The whole goal is to find you the right price for the building. Now, are we always the lowest price? We're not. There's always someone out there that can step in and, you know, be the lower price, but our goal at Low Price Metal Buildings is to find you the building you want at the price that you need and to be transparent and fair on that. So text us, call us, whatever works. There's a link here in the video. Press that link, it'll take you to the website. You'll be able to see everything that I'm talking about, all the prices that I rattled off. My personal phone number is 720-217-7341. You can find that on the website as well. When you reach out to us, you're not just talking to another sales guy, you're speaking directly with me. But press the send message button on this ad. Go ahead and click the button, go to the website, do some shopping. Feel free to reach out, see if we're the right fit for you. And we appreciate all of your time and, you know, the few minutes of watching this video.